Hi friends, look at these interesting puzzle numbers. Oh no, where do our numbers go? Can you help me find them? Let's get started. Oh look, there's a truck passing by. Let's pick it up. This is number 1. Let's put it back to the board. Do you see something in here? Look, what is this? This is number 2. For number 2, it's going to be in here. Wow, look! Let's put the vehicle in the right place. The ambulance is going to be in here, and the bus will be in here. Now, let's put the taxi in here, and for the plane is going to be in here. For the last one, it's going to be in here. Wow, look! This is number 3. Let's put it back to the board. Wow, let's try to put this together. We need to connect the head to the body. Let's get the bolt here. Then we need a screwdriver. Let's do the same for the other side. Let's put the bolt in here. Yeah, we did it. Look, what is that? It's number 4. Let's put number 4 on the board. Wow, what is this? Let's search inside it. Oh, we found the number 5. This is number 5. Let's put number 5 on the board. Wow, let's continue our search here. Is it going to be in this house? No. How about this house? Nothing. In this pineapple house? Wow, we found something. It's number 6. This is number 6. Number 6 is going to be in here. Where's the number hiding? Is it going to be in here? No. How about in here? No. In here? No. Below this chair? Oh, look! We found it! This is number 7. Number 7 will be in here. Let's search in town. Is it going in here? No. Behind this woman? No. Look, I see something. Let's pick it up. This is number 8. Let's put number 8 on the board. Oh, there are a lot of buses in here. Let's start with the green bus. Wow, the bus was moving fast. Next, we play with the red one. There's nothing happening. Now, the blue one. Oh, same as the others. Now, the last one, the yellow bus. Wow, what is that? Let's pick it up. Yeah, we found the number 9. This is number 9. This one is going to be like this. Wow, let's arrange these wooden stick pieces onto the board. Yup, but looks like the order is still wrong. Let's swap the pieces until it's right. Oh, it's still wrong. Let's try to exchange these pieces. Yup, we did it. It's a zebra. Wow, what is that? Let's pick it up. This is number 10. Number 10 is going to be in here. Wow, where's the car going? The helicopter is picking it up. Whoosh, it's sliding down. Wow, we found another number. This is number 11. Let's put it on the board. Did you see some number hiding in here? Oh, I see something. It's a clothes, but behind it, there's a number. We found number 12. This is number 12. Let's put it on the board. Wow, let's put the puzzle pieces into the board. Let's start with the head. Now, these carrot pieces. And the last piece is going to be in here. Oops, we forgot the small pieces. Let's put it right here. Yup, we found another number. This is number 13. Let's put number 13 in here. Wow, let's use the sword to stab the barrel. Oh, nothing happened. Wow, the dinosaur bounced off the barrel. Wow, what is this? Let's pick it up. We found number 14. This is number 14. This one is going to be in here. Now, let's try to pair the correct animal with its shadow. Let's start with the monkey first. Is this the right shadow? Yup. Next, we pick a lion. Is this the right shadow? No. How about this one? Yup, that's right. Now for the kangaroo. Is this the right shadow? Yup. Next is the goat. Do you know where its shadow is? In here? Yup, you're right. Now is for panda. I believe this is the right shadow. Yup. Let's choose the horse. I will put it in here. No, it's wrong. What if we slide it to the right? Yes. Now is for the fox. It will be in here. Yup, this one is an elephant. I believe this is the right shadow. Yup, and the last one is zebra. It will obviously be in here. Yes. Amazing. Wow, we found a new number. This is number 15. Number 15 is going to be in here. Hey, we are back in town. Is it going in here? No. Behind the cow? No. This tree? No. How about the ambulance? Yup, we found a number. This is number 16. Number 16 is going to be in here. Wow! Let's put the vehicle in the right place again. First one. This is the train. The train is going to be in here. Next, this is a ship. We will put the ship above here. This is a jeep, and it will be going in here. Now is the excavator. I will put it below here. Next is an electric car, and it's going to be in here. Wow, what is that? Let's pick it up. We found number 17. This is number 17. Let's put the number on the board. Hey, let's try to solve this puzzle. First, let's put these pieces in here. Now, the big piece is going to be in here. No, let's rotate it a bit. Yeah. And the third piece is going to be in here. Yes. Oops, we forgot the small one. This one is going to be in here. Yup. Wow, we found a new number. This is number 18. Number 18 is going to be in here. Wow, let's match the skin pattern with the animal. The first one is a bear. Is this the correct skin pattern? No. How about this one? Yup. Now is the crocodile. Is this the correct skin pattern? Yeah. Now we pick the deer. Is this the correct skin pattern? Yeah. Now for the penguin. Looks like it's here. Yup, that's right. Now we pick the cow. Which is the correct skin pattern? In here. No. This one? Yes. And for the crab, this is obviously the correct skin pattern. Wow, we found a new number. This is number 19. Number 19 is going to be in here. Wow! Let's arrange these wooden stick pieces onto the board. Oh, the order is still wrong. Let's swap the pieces until it's right. Oh, it's still wrong. Let's try to exchange these pieces. Yup, we did it. It's a giraffe. Wow, what is that? We get the last number. This is number 20. And the last number is definitely going to be in here. Yup, amazing! We did it! Congratulations on successfully solving the puzzle. You are amazing at learning numbers with puzzles. Don't forget to practice counting every day. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more learning adventures with us. See you in our next puzzle video. Goodbye.